REKR Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So Rekor Systems is sitting at 156 and is 16% down. Just observing this, it came back down inside my demand area, and it's actually the pretty prime point in order for me to buy, but there is some things that must happen. Context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships, and I've documented everything. But now the only thing, like, yes, I was waiting for the same exact approach a little bit higher, but I just never saw this, and this is why I just never moved forward. But now we're inside this gap, and it seems like it's actually already giving me this double break. And actually, it's fine for me if I see a double break right here in this 5-minute chart. It's actually, like, it literally would be fine, but obviously it needs to show me those signs of bullishness in order for me to, signs of bulls coming in order for me to pull the trigger on that market flow and order flow. So that's how REKR looks like. Obviously, waiting, and the market is fractal, so it does not really matter why it's like a 5-minute chart or whatever. But like, yeah, if you want to make more money trading in a simple new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.